Vikas, what's your view on pharma names? In the post-COVID era, they're going to get a lot more importance, it seems, because a lot of more focus is going to be there on the healthcare space. I was just looking at a couple of earnings reactions. We had Sun Pharma that disappointed overnight. You had Ipca Laboratories that came out with a set of numbers an hour or so ago, and that one as well was a little bit disappointing. How are you all viewing the pharma space? Do you believe that it's time to take a bigger exposure? Have you already taken it? Your view on it?
So pharma will do well. I think if you see pharma recently started rally about a year ago after 4 or 5 years of painful period, and given current COVID situation, I think the need for spending on pharma across the globe has gone up, and it will do well. There's no question on that. And to that extent, you can see demand environment for them will remain solid. I think short-term disruptions around the availability of raw material, cost of raw material can create impact on the margins, but I don't see anything in a major negative for the sector. Of course, the better way to play, if you ask me, the pharmaceutical market will probably, in my opinion, is through APIs, because that offers better risk reward from many perspectives. But having said that, pharma as a sector would continue to do well over the next 3 to 5 years. You got to obviously look at a specific company and their own product pipeline potential and all those things. So you can't just make a blanket recommendation. But in general, if I were to say, the pharma sector